Kamera mwadufasha
Ifoto ibikoresho
try to explain some few schematic.
Much, my project is a type of quadcopter. You know, quadcopter is drones that which have 4 motors. That each motor is stabilized with another motor. So for my project, I emphasize on this group. So about these schematics, we have 4 motors. It means this motor, when it is spinning, it makes stabilization with this motor. Also this with this. So in order for hovering from ground up to the air, we need this configuration. This motor, we need to rotate this motor along this direction. Also this on this, also this on this, also this on this. So this configuration is perhaps for this motor can stabilize this can stabilize this. So at the highest voltage or 11 voltage, we need 11 voltage for on each motor for making from X to Y. As we are Y. It means let me show you. It means when is on this point for making Y, we need to rotate at 11 12 voltage on this motor. It means it take over like this. Take over like this. And then when we want to make like this. It means we need to change. We need to change on the constant voltage of this motor. The constant voltage on this motor is 5 voltage. It means it can rotate on 11 voltage. This one, also this comes with 5 voltage as constant. Automatically, drone to go like this. Also, when you want to turn, make like this. It means here we have 11 voltage, here we have constant voltage. What I said, 5 voltage. So in order to come up to down, we need to make the decreasing of voltage on each motor. It means if on each motor at up we have, for example, 11 volts, we need to change the value from 11 volts by decreasing depending on the level of the ground. Automatically 11, 10, 5, 8 drone, it can be downwards. So I can show you so we have another important tools that I have to tell you right now about propeller. Propeller is an object that is in the motor. The motor rotates that propeller in order to create a lift. So Let me show you. For example, we have this object. Let me show you. Yes. Okay. See this object. Suppose that we have this object. It means when the air is flow, when air comes like this. I think you are seeing here. When the air comes like this, some of air it passes down of this brush. Other it comes big here, then reflect like this. I think everybody is seeing it. Air which comes here and reflect like this, like this. It means here there is a small air gap. After a small air gap, this air comes like this. It means it comes. It comes like this. Do you see this part? When it's spinning like this. It means like this. It means the air is come like this, reflect like this. Also other come and peak here. Automatically the pressure on this side is not equal to the pressure on this side. I think you are seeing it. Automatically, the pressure on this is greater than the pressure on this. Automatically, there is a lift. I think you are understanding how a lift is created. It is an example only, one of the photos. So there is another thing. So on my product I use brush. This motor. This can rotate 9,000 RPM. On 1 minute. I think RPM is rotation per minute. Now I use this motor in order to create enough lift depending to the product. So what I have started explaining about it is how the working of my drone, and this time I'll show you one of the components I used in that. So another part I use it is an Arduino of drone that use to keep some of which can run or during flight mode. So you need to generate the frequency depending to the wish in order to tell that our drone it's a time of flying, or it's a time of switch off, or it's a time of hovering, depending to the situation of our drone. So this is a transmitter. This is a transmitter. This help me to generate the frequency of the transmitter as in 26 and 30. To me, it's when, for example, when I switch on my drone, on my transmitter, so in order to spin all the motor, I use 26 megahertz. It means I send 26 megahertz. It means when I turn this joystick up on small record, 26 megahertz. And after 26 megahertz is created, this quadricopter of this, in this, before the execution comes in at the quadricopter, we need to have what we call the VS mode. It means when it is seen 26 megahertz, automatically it checks 26 megahertz. When my program says the 26 megahertz, then the transmitter tells me that I receive this megahertz. That means on each motor voltage, it means I'm going to give on each motor, for example, 5 voltage. I think you understand it because of time. I don't understand because of time. It means when I need to turn up, I use 28 megahertz. It means when I say 26 megahertz, as the computer just wanted to receive it and generate a pulse modulation, then automatically it gives in each motor 11 volts. It means it can come from ground up to the air. So when I want to turn in the recruit transfer, you can use to turn on like this. After switching on my transmitter automatically, just small, it will automatically see the transmitter if it's available. If it's not available, it cannot write on right. This will show you if the transmitter is available.
Aja.